Hi friends, Paul here. I'm fashioning a neck knife sheath for my Opinel number 8 carbon steel. You know, I've been thinking about neck knives for a while. The Mora Eldris and other knives like the Mora 2/0 model. Generally a blade on the order of about 3 inches. This is like 3 1/4, I believe, on the number 8. Is what's recommended between 2 and 3 inches for a neck knife. But I was thinking, you know, instead of getting a fixed blade like that, like, for example, here's my go-to Mora MG Companion carbon steel fixed blade belt sheath. Of course, that's too big for a neck knife, and nor would I want to carry that around the neck. But guys, 9 times out of 10, when I'm going outside or I'm in the garden, I'm either using my number 8 or number 9 Opinel carbon steel. So I've got a scrap piece of leather here, just kind of doing a prototype. I've left a gap there on the end, and I'm thinking a lot of times these get damp in the field. So moisture will be able to evaporate out of leaving a little bit of air down there in that area. So I've just sewed up one side, and also I've folded over this top edge and sewn that. And I'll be doing that also up here where I'm going to put my neck cord, like paracord or whatever, maybe leather, but I'm going to fold that over and sew that also. But do those fold overs first, I discovered kind of after the fact, before sewing up your sides. I think what I'm going to do is hit it right about where that blemish is in the leather and come parallel with that edge right there. All right, friends, so I finished the knife sheath for the Opinel. You can see right there, I've folded that section down and sewed it up. Just put a cord through the top there, and this is the first prototype I've ever done. The number 8 fits perfectly in there. The number 9 actually fits a little better. So in the future, I would snug this up a little bit more to fit the knife really well so that it couldn't fall out like that way. But thanks for checking it out. Please post your comments below. If you're into do-it-yourself leather knife sheaths, have a great day. Enjoy the late fall.